I want to talk to you today about the point to the head. The first person to write about the point to the head was a former principal of the Barbados Community College. Now, not to make fun of anyone, but the point to the head has remained on my mind. It's kind of unforgettable. And again, I repeat, it is not to make fun of anyone, but indeed, I'm pointing to my head. Maybe I'm looking for something up there if it exists. I want to give it the age of the written word. I think that the astronomical view of the retrograde cycle is good evidence, at least to put out a possibility that the written word could have originated in the Totemic period. The Totemic period is over 50,000 years ago, and is when mankind identified with animals. It is the dawn of symbolic man. An example that remains today, to this day, I am a scorpion. The sign for water, another example, is a zigzagged sign, the sign of Aquarius. Scientists claim that symbolic man left evidence in caves in Europe in the form of art 39,000 years ago. Symbolic man is associated with the massive change in consciousness in northeastern Africa. Since symbolic man was seen in Europe in cave art with the evidence 39,000 years ago, it is not impossible at all that the same thing could be happening in Africa, and I think it was in the form of the retrograde cycle. Symbolism is associated with the massive change in consciousness that happened about 50,000 years ago in the Sudanic period. And in the Sudanic geographical area rather, and I have spoken about this before. If you go back to Sagittarius and you will go back to about 49,000 years. And the next stage is Aquarius, and after that it will be the sign of Capricorn, the completion of 2 cycles. Now, could this cave art be a written record of the animals that were important to the cave dwellers? And I come to my head.